All right, cooking typical Hawaiian style. We're gonna turn the heat up. Some fried garlic ahi. Some garlic, olive oil, a little bit of sesame oil. I like to cook with sesame oil because that's the flavor I like to taste, especially with fish, poke, or for this time, our fried ahi. Turning the fire up to 5. We're gonna fry. Get it some high heat, fry. All right, here we go. The pan is sizzling. We want to throw our fish in. The skin side first. The skin side first. Then we'll flip and go to the other side. Throw this body in there. In there. All right. Cooking our garlic ahi. All right, so for our garlic ahi, we're gonna need to add some garlic powder to that. Give it that flavor, that garlic flavor. We already have some garlic on there. Put some garlic powder just to give it, give it that garlic love. Flavor all over. And then, cooking with Kikomon, right? So we need the Kikomon shoyu. Why? Because Kikomon will show you. Garlic ahi shoyu, garlic ahi shoyu, fried garlic ahi shoyu, fried garlic ahi shoyu. Right here. Shoyu all over. Ooh. Smells good, that's for sure. Cooking. Woo-hoo. Fried garlic shoyu ahi. Can't forget that we're gonna add the rosemary here for some flavor that we like. Right on there, just like that. It is cooking. This gives it that fresh organic flavor. Some rosemary. All right, cooking typical Hawaiian style with the Kikomon. Myself here. I'm going to show you the trick of the trade to catching the ahi. What lures we use here. This one's called the spoon, and this one's called, good question. You tell me. The fake live bait. We use live bait, some nehu and stuff like that. Live bait. And once we get done, I'm going to put it here, and it'll look like that. The finished product. Heat not too high. Some like it seared. I like mine cooked just before seared. Depends if the fish is fresh. If the fish is fresh, you want it a little seared. But if it's not, it's been sitting for a little while, you want to cook it well done, or just right. So we'll wait on that for a little bit, and moving on. All right. So we'll put this on the pan. Actually, we'll flip it one more time. Flip this one more time, and we're gonna wait 1 minute, and we're gonna serve the food already. Right off the pan, crispy and ono. Some ono ahi garlic shoyu ahi fried. All right, yes, it is ready. You can smell that, you can hear that sizzling. What's popping? Shoyu garlic ahi. Shoyu garlic ahi, ready to roll. Alright, like some garlic on top. Just a little garlic. Nice and golden. And this looks on. So, mahalo for tuning in. Mahalo for checking us out. Typical Hawaiian's cooking show. Cooking with the Kikomon. Why? Because Kikomon will show you. Show you garlic ahi. Show you fried garlic ahi. Top it off with a little bit of Kikomon shoyu. Top it all off with the Kikomon shoyu. Eola tomi no itau itapuku te no malia. Alo.